Have you ever wanted to talk about something happening right now, but you were not sure what to say?
Yes, sometimes I say, I work now, or she cook now, but I feel it sounds wrong.
You are right. Those sentences are not natural.
So what should I say?
You should use the present continuous.
Present continuous.
Yes, we use the present continuous to talk about actions happening now.
Actions happening now. Okay, that sounds useful.
For example, right now, I am teaching.
And I am learning.
Perfect. I am teaching, I am learning. These actions are happening now.
So today's lesson is about the present continuous for actions now.
Exactly. Welcome back to FluentMindee. This is our Grammar for Speaking series.
I like this series because it helps me speak, not just study grammar.
That is the goal. Today, you will learn how to use the present continuous in real conversations.
Great, I want to sound more natural when I talk about what I'm doing now.
Let's start with the problem.
Okay.
Many English learners use the simple present when they talk about now.
Like, I eat now.
Yes, that is understandable, but it is not natural.
What is the natural sentence?
I am eating now.
I am eating now.
Good. Another mistake is, she watched TV now.
It needs is. She is watching TV now.
Excellent.
So I need am, is, or are.
Yes. The basic pattern is subject plus am, is, or are plus verb ing.
Subject plus am, is, or are plus verb ing.
Exactly. Let's make it very simple.
I am working.
Good. You are working.
He is working.
She is working.
We are working.
They are working.
That is clear.
Now let's look at the short forms. Native speakers often use short forms when speaking.
Short forms sound more natural, right?
Yes. I am becomes I'm.
I'm working.
You are becomes you're.
You're working.
He is becomes he's.
He's working.
She is becomes she's.
She's working.
We are becomes we're.
We're working.
They are becomes they're.
They're working.
Great. Now let's practice with actions happening now.
Okay.
Repeat after me. I'm listening.
I'm listening.
I'm watching a video.
I'm watching a video.
I'm drinking coffee.
I'm drinking coffee.
I'm checking my phone.
I'm checking my phone.
I'm studying English.
I'm studying English.
Very good. Now let's correct some common mistakes.
I need this part.
Mistake number 1. I watch TV now.
Natural correction, I'm watching TV now.
Correct. Mistake number 2. She cooking dinner.
It needs is. She is cooking dinner.
Perfect. Or naturally, she's cooking dinner.
She's cooking dinner.
Mistake number 3. They are play football.
It needs verb ing. They are playing football.
Excellent.
So we need two things, be verb and verb ing.
Exactly. Don't forget the be verb, am, is, or are.
And don't forget the ing.
Right. Let's compare.
Okay.
Wrong. I study English now.
Natural, I'm studying English now.
Wrong. John drive to work now.
Natural, John is driving to work now.
Wrong. Lisa and Anna talk.
Natural, Lisa and Anna are talking.
Great. Now let's use the present continuous in a conversation.
I'm ready.
Conversation 1. I will ask and you answer.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm studying English.
Great. What is Sarah doing?
She's cooking dinner.
What are John and David doing?
They're playing basketball.
Excellent. Notice the questions.
Yes. What are you doing? What is Sarah doing? What are John and David doing?
Good listening. For questions, we often use what plus am, is, or are plus subject plus verb ing.
What are you doing?
Yes.
What is he doing?
Great.
What are they doing?
Perfect.
This is useful in daily life.
Very useful. You can use it at home, at work, on the phone or in a video call.
For example, when my friend calls and asks, "What are you doing?"
Exactly. You can answer, I'm cooking, I'm working, I'm cleaning, or I'm relaxing.
I use this every day.
Yes, that is why this grammar is important for speaking.
I have a question.
Sure, ask me.
Can I say, "I am understanding"?
Good question. Usually we say I understand, not I am understanding.
Why?
Some verbs are usually not used in the continuous form. For example, know, understand, like, love, want, and need.
So I should say, "I understand now,"
Correct.
not "I am understanding now."
Right. Another example, I want coffee, not usually I am wanting coffee.
I want coffee.
Good.
But for actions, I use present continuous.
Exactly. I'm drinking coffee. That is an action happening now.
I see. I want coffee is a feeling or desire. I'm drinking coffee is an action now.
Perfect explanation.
Nice. I'm learning.
Yes, you are learning right now.
That is present continuous.
Exactly.
Now let's continue with more daily life examples.
Great. I want more speaking practice.
Look around you. Many actions can use the present continuous.
For example, I'm sitting.
Yes, I'm sitting.
I'm watching this lesson.
Great. I'm listening to English.
I'm learning grammar.
Excellent. Now let's practice with he, she, and they.
Okay.
Repeat after me. He's reading a book.
He's reading a book.
She's writing an email.
She's writing an email.
They're waiting for the bus.
They're waiting for the bus.
Michael is talking on the phone.
Michael is talking on the phone.
Anna is making breakfast.
Anna is making breakfast.
David and Lisa are walking in the park.
David and Lisa are walking in the park.
Very good. Now let's practice negative sentences.
Negative sentences, like not?
Yes, the pattern is subject plus am, is, or are plus not plus verb ing.
I am not working.
Good. More naturally, I'm not working.
I'm not working.
He is not sleeping.
He's not sleeping.
She is not cooking.
She's not cooking.
They are not studying.
They're not studying.
Great. Now let's correct mistakes.
Okay.
Wrong. I know working.
Natural. I'm not working.
Correct. Wrong. She not watching TV.
Natural. She's not watching TV.
Excellent. Wrong. They are not play.
Natural. They're not playing.
Perfect. Now, I need to remember am, is, are, plus not, plus verb ing.
Exactly. Now let's practice yes/no questions.
Okay. The pattern is am, is, or are, plus subject, plus verb ing.
Like, are you working?
Yes. Are you working?
Is she studying?
Good.
Are they eating?
Perfect.
How do I answer?
You can answer shortly. Yes, I am. No, I'm not.
Yes, I am. Are you teaching?
Yes, I am.
Are you sleeping?
No, I'm not.
Is Emma learning?
Yes, she is.
Is Alex and Emma speaking English?
Yes, they are.
Nice.
Now let's do a natural conversation.
Okay.
Hi, Emma. What are you doing?
I'm making lunch.
Are you cooking pasta?
No, I'm not. I'm making a sandwich.
Sounds good. Is John helping you?
No, he isn't. He's working right now.
What is Anna doing?
She's cleaning the kitchen.
Great. And what are David and Lisa doing?
They're watching a movie.
Excellent. That sounds natural.
Yes, and it uses many present continuous sentences.
Exactly. Now let's talk about spelling.
Spelling for verb ing?
Yes, most verbs just add ing.
Work becomes working.
Study becomes studying.
Eat becomes eating.
Watch becomes watching.
What about make?
Good question. If the verb ends in silent E, remove E and add ing.
Make becomes making.
Write becomes writing.
Drive becomes driving.
Exactly.
What about run?
For some short verbs, we double the final consonant.
Run becomes running.
Sit becomes sitting.
Swim becomes swimming.
Great, but do not worry too much. For speaking, focus first on the main pattern.
Subject plus am, is, or are plus verb ing.
Exactly. Now let's do Q&A practice.
I'm ready.
Answer out loud. What are you doing right now?
I'm watching a FluentMindee lesson.
Great. Are you learning English?
Yes, I am.
Are you sleeping?
No, I'm not.
What is your teacher doing?
He's teaching grammar.
What are Alex and Emma doing?
They're speaking English.
Excellent. Now repeat after me.
Okay.
I'm learning English right now.
I'm learning English right now.
I'm not sleeping.
I'm not sleeping.
She's cooking dinner.
She's cooking dinner.
He's working on his computer.
He's working on his computer.
They're talking on the phone.
They're talking on the phone.
Are you listening?
Are you listening?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm studying English.
I'm studying English.
Great job. Now let's do a quick review.
Okay.
We use the present continuous for actions happening now.
For example, I'm speaking.
Correct. The pattern is subject plus am, is, or are plus verb ing.
I'm working. She's studying. They're eating.
Good. For negative sentences, use not.
I'm not working. She's not sleeping. They're not playing.
For questions, put am, is, or are before the subject.
Are you listening? Is she working? Are they coming?
Excellent. And remember, don't forget the be verb.
Not I working.
Right. Say, I'm working.
Not she cooking.
Say, she's cooking.
Not they are play.
Say, they're playing.
This is much clearer now.
Great. Now here is your challenge.
Challenge time.
Write 3 sentences in the comments using the present continuous.
Sentence 1. Something you are doing now.
For example, I'm watching this lesson.
Sentence 2. Something someone near you is doing now.
For example, my friend is drinking coffee.
Sentence 3. One negative sentence.
For example, I'm not sleeping.
That is simple and useful.
Yes, your challenge is to write 3 present continuous sentences in the comments.
And read them out loud, too.
Great idea. Speaking practice is very important.
I'm practicing English right now.
Perfect present continuous sentence.
Thank you.
If this lesson helped you, like the video and subscribe to FluentMindee.
And turn on notifications for more grammar for speaking lessons.
Keep practicing. Don't just study grammar, use it when you speak.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.
Bye.